Hey, thanks for checking out my ProbSheet product. So here we see one on vectors and two-dimensional motion. Most of the ProbSheets pretty much follow the same pattern with instructions, objectives, and then some general problem solving before some formulas necessary to solve the problems are presented. Then there will be a sample problem. Lots of instructions here, visual clues to how to solve the problem. Extensive problem solving so they can get an idea or a view on how to solve the problem. Also some significant digit help, and then a spot for them to put their answer in. Now there's some instructions on how that should be formatted, but you know how students are. They tend to miss the fine print, so you will have to most likely go over the answer. There is some self-checking that occurs, but it's always best to check math answers. There's an I am close after each problem. This enables the student to enter in the number portion of their answer just to verify that they're within a range. If you're going to use this as some type of assessment, you probably want to remove this, but as a learning tool, this helps the student know that they're getting close when, you know, in the end, what we're caring about is whether the student learns the problem solving as opposed to whether they get it right and wrong. There's 10 to 11 problems on each one of these prop sheets. They're all built pretty much the same way. Lots of graphics to help on the more complicated ones, and they do progressively tend to get a little more complicated and then transition into the next lesson here. Although this is not a lesson on projectile motion, it does begin to tie in the concepts of two-dimensional motion with what's coming up next in projectile motion. Okay, when it comes to grading the prop sheet, it's a fairly simple process. Here we see kind of an older version. It's missing all the bells and whistles, but we are set here on the first question, and we can check and see what the required answer is, and we see the students have put those answers in here, and if they're not already awarded the points, you can simply click the check marks to award the points and then save, which will record that they get points. All the other answers are here. We have 6 responses that have given this because they did not adjust the decimals to the correct number, and you can decide on all the rules and how you want to handle that. When you're finished with the problem, you can either click the arrows or go to the next one. Similar situation, the acceptable answers are there, and then you can check or X depending on whether you want to award all the points, some of the points, or some kind of combination. So that's essentially it. And then at the end you'll get a total and you can look it up. I'm not going to go into it because I don't want to reveal the students' names, but you can go from individual or then an overall summary on the problem. So hopefully that's giving you a good idea of what the ProbSheet product is. It does fit nicely with the accompanying link lesson on the same topic, but you can use it as a standalone item. There's a link in the description if you'd like to visit my TPT Store where you can find this product and many other products like this. Thanks for watching.